My first thoughts are you put it down, it just looks, I think it's the best looking driver I've seen from TaylorMade, period. It's so inviting when you put it down, and it's interesting how TaylorMade's come so far that, going back to grey is like a different look. We've all gotten so used to white that now it's it's different to look down at something else, and I'm really enjoying that. I love the deep face that you've got on the driver, and with that you can play a bit more loft. And I think whenever you look down at a bit more loft, it's sort of it's a club that looks a lot easier to hit. So those are the visuals of it. I think then you get to hit the ball and it's just sound. I started with a 9.5 head, which was the same head as I had in my R1, and for some reason I was just launching it too low. I think because it's a low spinning driver, I was just launching it too low spin, wasn't getting the most out of it. The settings, I think I've got it pretty neutral, to be honest with you. I've got a 10.5 head, opened out a little bit, so a bit lower, and I've got the slider pretty much right in the center, maybe one click towards the draw section. Feels a lot more fluid through the ball. I mean, it just feels really solid, I suppose is the word. And the ball speed was half a mile an hour faster with the SLDR, but I got sort of 5 or 6 more yards carry, but the spin rate and launch was better, so I think it totaled probably 10-12 yards further. That's just through pretty much perfect launch conditions, and when you match that with the solid feel and the good looks, it's pretty hard not to put it in the bag. It's not like I'm struggling with my driver, but to then want to put a new driver in tells you, or speaks volumes about how good the driver actually is. And my caddy was watching me hit it today, and he was just like, it's like I haven't seen a ball flight like that before. And you've always got to sort of push the boundaries, you're always trying to get better. I know that's what you guys are trying to do, so at the end of the day I've got to put my trust in what the R&D department are doing. That's why I'm with TaylorMade, and I guess the proof's in the pudding. If you see the ball flying better, straighter, further, you've got to just go with it.